Biotechnology investments are a strategic sweet spot. On the one hand, they're no longer in the early stages. On the other hand, they still have enormous growth potential. That's why they're a zeitgeist. Biotechnology uses living organisms to develop and make products. It's a wide area. Our main focus is its application to pharmaceuticals. Modern biotech began to take off in the 1960s, and since then scientific discoveries have spread from the universities to the commercial world, and the science is amazing. For example, an old medicine like aspirin contains 21 atoms. New ones could contain 25,000. 25,000. A large proportion of the current research is concentrated on treatments for cancer. Another key area is tackling dementia, although that's mainly at an earlier stage. Alongside these, some medical uses of marijuana are well into development. But the structure has changed. 2 or 3 decades ago, most development of new drugs took place in big pharma companies. Today, earlier development often takes place in smaller companies. These begin as unlisted startups, then list on exchanges like NASDAQ. Some are bought by big pharma, others raise sufficient capital to grow into giants in their own right. And performance has been strong. The biotech industry has shown impressive revenue growth in the past, and it seems likely to continue to grow rapidly. After all, it's only natural that there's enormous demand for better treatments. And this is an efficient sector, with twice the success rate in clinical trials compared to old cell medicines. But it's also a volatile sector, with prices last year roughly doubling and then falling back since. But I like to view this as an example of the cycle, often seen in new technologies, whether it's 19th century railways through to 21st century solar energy and .com. Investors get very excited, then there's a bubble bursts, prices fall to more sensible levels, and then from there they show less dramatic but reasonably well-sustained growth over many years. And it looks likely that biotech stocks are following this pattern, and that's why this is a zeitgeist.
Well, thank you, Christine.